Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make GIF for Discord. If you're new to Discord and are looking to learn the ropes, follow along as we explain how to share GIFs to conversations within your server. For the more enterprising among you, we even explore how to use this method easily make and share your very own GIFs. Discord taps into Google owns GIF search engine, Tenor, to offer up an endless collections of GIFs. This can be easily accessed and shared to any text conversations or channel. Here's how to do it. Open up a direct message thread or text channel. You'll find all your direct message threads on the left side of the app's home screen. Text channels are visible on the left sidebar within a server, preceded by the number symbols. Click the GIF button in the message box or tap the message box at the bottom. Then tap on the smiley icon. Now, you can switch it into GIF. In the Discord mobile, you can tap the emoji icon and switch to the GIF tab. Select one of the many pre-made categories from the resulting pop-up or simply enter what you're looking for into the built-in search bar. Click on any of the listed GIFs to instantly share them to the thread. You can also click the star icon in the top right corner to add individual GIFs to your favorites, displayed at the top of GIF box. And that's all. You don't have to make do with the GIFs baked into a Discord. A custom GIF is likely to get more traction within conversations. Imagine sharing a looping clip of your very own gameplay, for example, or a screen recording guiding your friends through the solution to a problem they're facing. Now, there are more than a few ways you can record your screen and export the clip as GIF. If you're looking to go from recording to sharing in the fewest steps, you can go with this video. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.